Okay, me think say.
Nah, man.
To a roll Rosalie situation.
No, bro.
But Akeem, bro. Akeem, my youth. The youth, him out the dog.
Which is good. Which is a good look.
Food,
I like
water. Dog, him man out there on a daily basis. I'm rate that. So, you see people who love talk about the TikTok of them only a beg. See them a give back now. Out of money where them beg, we no use to style them pan. YG, Pops YG.
Yeah.
Pops YG, them man they a give back enough, dog. Me see man buy up all the clothes and shoes and sit me and say, but bad.
For real.
You see me? Pops YG, me see. Who else me see?
You see Silk Boss. Oh, you talk about the influencers.
Yeah. Me give back.
I just mention you, because I slip, me go say, yo, hope you big up yourself. Because
yeah, man, me buy
me see you buy this stuff then.
And me go buy, and this week me go buy like 100 case of water. Me go buy up some tin food and them thing there. If you send them same way.